Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app if it is not working. So whether it is not generating the codes, not syncing or blocking login, this guide is for you. So first of all, you will have to come out of your Google Authenticator application. Then you need to long press on its icon and tap on this I tab. Now once you are on this page, you need to go to storage, then tap on the clear data, then tap on the clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache, you will have to again log in your Microsoft Authenticator application and see if it is now working or not. If the method doesn't work for you, you can also try clearing all the data and it will log you out from your Microsoft Authenticator. So you need to logging back in and then you can see if the problem is fixed or if it is still there. In the second method, you need to open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Once you are able to find it, you will have to tap on the update button if you see any over here. After updating the app, simply tap on the open button in order to launch it and see if it is now working or not. Sometimes a quick restart can also fix the app glitches, so you can try restarting either your application or your phone. You can enable the cloud backups, so you need to open your Authenticator app, then in your settings you will see the backup option, so you can turn on the cloud backup with your Microsoft account. This actually ensures you can recover your codes if something goes wrong. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.